Using precise GPS positioning system. Newly upgraded EYES electronic image stabilization system with more high-definition picture quality. Equipped with repeater device. Amplify remote control and image transmission signal. Longer distance between remote control and image transmission and more stable signal. 360 degrees omnidirectional obstacle avoidance. All-round intelligent recognition and easily avoid various obstacles. Make drone control more at ease. 5G Wi-Fi signal. Stable HD image transmission. HD 4K adjustable camera. 3-axis mechanical stabilization gimbal. More gradual flight. Soaring flight. Spiral flight. Bring you a different aerial photography experience. 360 degrees point of interest surround. Easily shoot cool blockbusters. Waypoint flying. Where to fly? No need to bother to control the course. Foldable body. Carry it with you. The night lights illuminate the way forward. Optical flow positioning is more accurate. Low battery and low signal intelligent return home. Make the flight more secure. Matters need attention. 1. Please strictly follow the instructions to avoid injury. It is recommended to use it in an open and non-populated area. Only ATTI mode indoor mode can be used indoors. And GPS mode satellite positioning mode cannot be enabled. 2. Please abide by relevant local regulations. Understand the restrictions and requirements of the airspace. And use this product reasonably. 3. The battery should be far away from fire and flammable materials. And cannot be squeezed or disassembled. Please make sure to charge indoors. 4. This product contains small parts. Please place them properly. Before starting this product, please remove the protective cover on the camera first. Then install obstacle avoidance equipment. When starting this product, do not touch the gimbal camera and obstacle avoidance equipment. The gimbal is automatically calibrated when it is turned on. Obstacle avoidance equipment is energized. If you touch it without authorization, the gimbal will not be calibrated normally. Obstacle avoidance equipment does not work properly. There is a high probability that the gimbal calibration and obstacle avoidance equipment functions will be damaged. Please do not touch the camera when the gimbal is being calibrated in the power on state. Power on the remote control. After the display shows power on, it will automatically adjust to the connecting underline linking state. Long press the aircraft battery switch. Remote control die voice code pairing succeeded. In search state. Connecting on the remote display is displayed as positioning. Geomagnetic correction. Long press the photo button for about 5 seconds. The remote control beeps. The aircraft lights flash fast. Lift the vehicle 1 meter above the ground. The horizontal plane turns clockwise. When you hear the remote beep, put the orbiter up, camera down, turn clockwise. When you hear the remote beep, geomagnetic correction completed. Long press the speed button for about 5 seconds. Tap the remote control. The aircraft lights flash fast. Gyroscope and head level calibration completed. Loosen the button. At this point, the aircraft will automatically enter the star search mode. The positioning will be completed when the number of satellites reaches 10 or so. The remote control will beep to activate the GPS function. The aircraft light is steady on. The remote control display displays GPS mode. Can unlock takeoff. At this point, The aircraft is in GPS mode, with GPS function. The left and right levers of the remote control pull inward or outward at the same time. To complete the unlock, when the motor starts, it's ready to fly. A key to take off. A key to land. Upward. Downward. Turn left. Turn right. Forward. Backward. Left-sided flying. Right-sided flying. 2 levels of speed shift. Headless mode. Gimbal adjustment. Tap to turn on the bottom light. Tap again to turn off the bottom light. Short according to the pictures. APP switch is video recording mode. Press to start recording. Short press again. End of the video. 50x zoom. Adjustable at will. Click the navigation point flight icon. Zoom in. Painting staring point. Click the send icon. The orbiter will start at its starting point. To the first point of the trajectory, and then we go point by point in sequence. Click the fly around icon. The nose of the aircraft will be centered around the current position of the aircraft. Perform a clockwise or counterclockwise circling in orbit. Can control the rise, fall, forward, backward adjustment. Click on the GPS follow icon. The aircraft will follow the phone. Click on the one-click return icon. The aircraft automatically returned to its departure point. MV function production. Background music can be added. Select the music and then record the video and save it. Filter and lens effects. If in indoor or signal poor place to use aircraft, please directly enable ATTI mode indoor mode. After adjusting the frequency of the aircraft and the remote control, the geomagnetic and gyroscope are corrected. Positioning is displayed on the display of the remote control. At this point, the aircraft will automatically conduct GPS star search positioning. The auto-enable protector will not take off. Hold down the GPS switch for 5 seconds. The remote control beeped. ATTI mode. ATTI mode is displayed on the remote control display. Indicates that the GPS function is disabled. Unlock and take off. At this time, the aircraft has no GPS function. When using, please pay attention to the flying distance and altitude to avoid losing. The product starts in normal mode by default. The aircraft has 360 degrees obstacle avoidance function. For example, switch to sport mode. The aircraft obstacle avoidance function automatically fails. Click the skyrocket icon. The aircraft flew straight up. Click the fade away flight icon. The aircraft flew far away. Click the spiral up icon. The aircraft began to spiral upward. When the remote control power indicator is less than 2 grids, indicates low power of the remote control. Emission attenuation. Charge the remote control and then use it again. When the aircraft power indicator is lower than 2 grids, represents low power of the aircraft. At this point, the aircraft light changed from long bright to bright. The aircraft needs to be recalled for battery replacement. Press the battery latch. Pull out the battery. Connect one end of the USB charging cable to the battery charging socket. The other end is connected to the USB interface of the 5V122 adapter. The battery blue light flashes from left to right when charging. The battery indicator is steady on. After filling the electricity, insert the battery into the body. Unscrew the screw. Take out the blades. When replacing, pay attention to corresponding blades and B. Add the wind leaf. Rotary screw. Common fault problem.